Hey guys, what's up? It's the Technetic here, and today I'm going to show you how I skinned my computer with an application called Rainmeter, and how you can too. But before we get into it, be sure to like, subscribe, hit that bell icon, and drop a comment down below on what you want my next video to be on. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, now that I'm in my Chrome browser, we want to go to rainmeter.net. So this over here it says Rainmeter desktop customization tool. So we'll be using this to customize our computer. So you want to download the final, but you do not want to download the beta. Beta most of the times is unstable and it can ruin your computer at times. So I'd recommend use the final, which is the stable version. So we'll click on that. Click on the So I'm gonna stick with English because that's where I'm from, but you change the settings according to what you speak and where you're from. So okay. So click on standard installation. If you do portable installation, it might break your device, so you always want to be safe and go with the standard. Just click on install. You're gonna get a warning message to see if this program would like to change your device settings. You want to accept that, otherwise it won't work. So once it's accepted, you'll get that. You want to do run Rainmeter, finish, and as you can see, you should see something like this, but if you see some extra widgets in your top right corner, then that's completely normal. I just seem to only get this. So to get rid of this, what you want to do is, you see Rainmeter, you want to click on that. It'll open a little window where you can manage all of your skins. See, I already have some pre-installed skins of my own, but the default ones will usually be under the Illustro folder. So under welcome. So when you see unload, that means it's already active and you can remove it. You see? Load means to put it on your desktop. So if I put it there. So you can remove the rest according to your computer. I'm pretty sure it's under disk, system, and recycle bin. I may be incorrect, but you can do that on your own. So now that we have all of those taken off, we can download some external skins for Rainmeter. So for example, we can do a really cool one that I use regularly is Mond Rainmeter skin. Just look that up. I use the one from visualskins.com, so it's probably the first link in your browser. So in case you don't have it, it'll be https://visualskins.com/skin/mond. By the way, links to all of these will be in the description below, so don't worry about that. You should see something like this. Just scroll down. Yep, it's supposed to look like this. This is one that I had before. So you want to click on download Mon.rm skin. So that's completely normal. I already have it installed, so I'm not going to do that. You should see like a little pop-up saying install skin. You'll see like the Mon thing. Just don't mess with anything. Just click on install and everything will come up accordingly. So after that, open your Rainmeter settings. You should see a little folder called Mond. You click open onto that. So the one that I personally like to use is, so click on clock. Boom. Now you have this really, really beautiful looking interface that you can arrange anywhere you want. I can put it down here. I can put it up here. I can put it here. I can put it here. It's easily customizable. So for now, I'm just going to leave it here. So yeah, so the Smod package comes with a lot more settings, such as a music player. Personally, I don't like it, but if you like it, then feel free to use it. Recycle bin. I just like that. I find it a wrong one. If you look here, there's a recycle bin. What that does, it just tells you how many stuff you have your recycle bin and the size. I find it personally useful because if I want to check out something, then it's always there for easy access. So whether this hasn't been working for me lately, but if it does work for you, it should look something like this. But instead of saying Madrid, it should say your current location and the current temperature. For some reason, it hasn't been working out with me lately. Click on load. Doesn't really do anything. I wonder why. But if it works for you, then good for you. If you guys liked the video, be sure to drop a like down below and possibly even subscribe. But if you guys did not like this video at all, dislike it and say something in the comments on why you didn't like it and some advice that can maybe possibly make my videos even better. Well, this is the Technetic and I'll see you on the next one.